What if I told you there's a Faceless channel that's quietly rewriting the YouTube playbook right now, but hardly anyone's noticed? The name of the channel is Titan Amazing, and less than a month ago, they've somehow managed to rack up more than 115,000 subscribers. And that's not even the craziest part. What's truly mind-blowing is the fact that they did this with 15 videos, all AI generated. Oh, and for anyone who's curious about monetization, the channel is fully monetized, as you can see from here. And as you can see by our tool here, the channel is making an estimated $56,000 in revenue and is getting more than 3 million views per week. If you're wondering what they're doing, the channel focuses on mystery survival stories that always feature a massive animal, a brave hero, and a rescue team racing against time. Each video starts with an unpredictable setup, maybe a fisherman trapped by a giant Komodo dragon, or a rescue team facing a colossal snake in a flooded jungle. The tension builds fast and viewers can't look away because they need to know how it ends. It's the perfect mix of danger, emotion, and curiosity, a formula that makes people watch all the way through. Now, I know you must be thinking this kind of video would be impossible to make, but that's where I come in. I'm going to give you the full blueprint to creating videos like this with the help of AI. From coming up with exciting topics like the one the channel we're modeling posted, to actually creating engaging scripts that will keep viewers watching. Once the script is ready, I'll show you how to create the voiceover. Then we'll move on to generating the necessary images for the story, as well as how to create and edit the characters that you'll need, before bringing everything to an end with a short lesson on editing the video to get similar results like Titan Amazing. Let's start the real stuff now. All the tools, prompts, and links we use to make these videos are right below in the description. As long as you're rolling with us, we've got you. We'll make the hard stuff stupid easy. Even if it's something as small as copy-pasting, we'll walk you through it. So yeah, hit that subscribe button and stay close. The journey's just getting started. Step 1, let's get into it. We're going to use these sneaky tools in a smart way through this whole video, so don't skip even a second. First thing we need is a viral title. That's the heart of the whole video. We've already done the digging and built a solid prompt for you. This one makes titles that grab attention fast. Now watch this. Open GPT, paste the prompt like this. Boom. See that? These are the same kinds of titles blowing up on our competitors' channels right now. I'm picking this one and pasting it into a new document. Now it's time for step 2, the script. When we're writing it, there's a few key things to keep in mind. It should be focused on mystery survival stories that always feature a massive animal, a brave hero, and a rescue team racing against time. The perfect mix of danger, emotion, and curiosity. This is the formula that makes people watch all the way through. To make it easy, just paste this prompt. Follow exactly what I'm doing. We'll use GPT again for scripting. Paste the full prompt in and swap the placeholder with the title you picked earlier. I already chose mine, so I'll go with that one. Paste it in, hit enter, and boom, there's your script. I'll drop this script into the document we made before and tweak it a bit to sound more human. But honestly, even the raw version works fine if you just want to move fast. Now that we've got our title and script ready, it's time to move to the fun part. The scenes. All you gotta do is paste this prompt into GPT, then take small parts of your script and drop them in. GPT will break them down into clean, ready-to-use scenes for you. If you want more detail, like 3 or 5 scenes from one paragraph, just change that number in the prompt before you run it. It's that simple. Now let's go ahead and generate all the scenes for each paragraph. And done. Clean, fast, and ready to move to the next step. Step 3. Time to make the images. Stay tuned, this one's important. Just open your browser, type Google Whisk AI, and you'll find it. It's free, and it's built specially for storyboarding. Honestly, it beats most paid tools out there. Now paste the image prompts we made into Whisk. It'll start giving you high-quality images right away. But here's a pro tip, bro, and it's a big one. Use 3 placeholders every time. This keeps your environment and characters the same through the story. Paid tools charge a lot for this tiny feature, but Whisk gives it free. In the subject section, add the faces from the first image Whisk made. This keeps your characters consistent. Then, in the scene section, set your background or environment. Done. Now everything's locked in. Same look, same vibe, same story world. Just keep pasting and generating each scene one by one. Download them all into one folder in order. See how all the characters and colors feel the same now? That's how you make it look pro. Now comes the video part. We'll use Google's VO3 through Flow, another free tool. Search Google Flow AI, open it, and upload your image with the same prompt that made it. Hit enter, and boom, it'll create a smooth video from that image. Take a deep breath. We've now built everything. Title, script, images, and videos. Next up, we'll drop it all into Capcut and tie the story together. Okay, bro. Now open Capcut and drop all your clips in. Line them up in order and combine them together. Hit play. Let's see how it looks. See that? It's smooth, engaging, and already feels like a real movie. But wait, one thing's missing. The dialogue. If you notice, the top channels in this niche always add dialogues. That's one big reason they're monetized. So here's what we'll do. Go back to your script. Find where the dialogues are written. Take a quick screenshot of that part. Now head back to VO3 and ask it to make your character say that line.
We have to do something! It's choking the cough! Grab the rifle!
That'll make the story feel alive and natural. You can also add sound effects or background music if you want. Totally your call. Once everything's done, export the video in high quality. We usually go with 4K resolution for clean cinematic results. You can screenshot our settings if you want to copy them exactly. And that's it. You've just built a full professional looking video from title to final render. Listen, here's the real juice. Our competitors are smart. They pack 2 to 3 stories in a single video. That's their secret move, and it works like crazy. Never skip this. If you're making one long video, drop in 3 short stories instead. It keeps people watching longer and makes the video feel bigger. Plus, here's the bonus. You can cut those stories into smaller clips and post them on different platforms. That one move alone can give your income a serious boost. All the resources you need are listed below. Use them, test things out, and keep stacking results.